Hello, children. So, tell me, have you ever noticed why the some days are sunny, some are rainy, and some are cold? Yes, this is because of the weather. Weather keeps on changing daily. So, the weather that lasts for a long time, the same kind of weather, it forms the season. It is known as the season. So, season changes in months and weather changes it daily. So, here in this chapter, we are going to study about weather and season. So, let's explore this chapter with me. Here, in this chapter, first we are going to study about weather, then we are going to study about seasons, that is summer, monsoon, winter, autumn, and spring. So, let's begin. Here, in this chapter, we are going to study about a little convo that is between a mother and a daughter. Oh, it's so hot. Please switch on the AC. Why is it so hot today? So, our daughter is saying to her mother, so please switch on the AC. And why is it so hot today? The mother replies, it's summer season, Mishti. In this season, weather remains hot. That's why we need AC. Now, let's talk about weather. What is weather? So, the state of atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time is called the weather. So, the state at a particular place at the particular time. So, it changes daily. So it is called the weather. Weather keeps changing from time to time. Yes, it changes daily or it can be changed from 2 days, monthly. So the weather, the temperature that changes daily, it is known as the weather. It may be cloudy. Yes, the weather can be cloudy, windy, sunny and rainy. So change in weather is caused by sun, wind, clouds and rain. So here you can see the weather is cloudy. There are so much clouds. The weather is windy because winds are running. It is the weather is sunny weather because the sun is glowing. So now let's talk about the season, the weather that lasts for months. It forms that season when only one type of weather remains for many days at a place. It is called a season. Yes, when the same weather remains for so many days, it forms the season. So there are 5 seasons in our country, namely summer, monsoon, winter, autumn, and spring. They are the 5 seasons that we observe in our country, that we feel in our country. So here you can see the weather is rainy in this picture. Now let's talk about summer season when we feel so hot, when there is so much hot weather, when we need the air conditioner to make our body cool. So in summer days are long and nights are short. Yes, in summer season the days are too long and the nights are too short. The sun shines very brightly and it is very hot. The sun shines at a high temperature very brightly and it gives so hot temperature. People sweat a lot and they like to have cold water. Yes, people drink cold water in summer season, cold drinks and juices. Hot winds are called new blow during this season. Yes, during the summer season, hot winds that are called new, they blow frequently. People like to wear clothes, cotton clothes, and sit in fans, coolers, and air conditioner. Yes, people like to sit in air conditioner, fans, coolers. Some people like to go to hill station in summer to feel cool over there. Now let's talk about another kind of weather. Now we are going to study about the monsoon when there is rain. After the hot summer season, it begins to rain in the many parts of our country. Yes, after summer season, the rainy season comes, the monsoon comes. The rainy season is called the monsoon. During this season, it rains a lot. Yes, everywhere there is greenery because it rains a lot. Plants get too much of water. The weather is mostly cloudy and humid. Sometimes cold wind blows. Sometimes it is thunder and lightning in the sky. Yes, sometimes it is thunder, clouds, and lightning in the sky. Sometimes cold wind blows. People use umbrella or wear raincoat and gumboots. Yes, to get rid of water. People wear gumboots. They carry umbrella with them. They wear raincoats when they go out to protect themselves from rain. Sometimes after rain, a rainbow is seen in the sky. You see rainbow in the sky too. When the sun drops, a sun rays and the water droplets meet, it forms a rainbow. So plants and trees grow fast in rainy season. I have told it is always everywhere there is rain because of the rain. Because plants and trees grow fast in rainy season. Now let's talk about the third season, that is winter. After monsoon, the winter season comes. So in the winter, the weather the weather is very cold. Days are short while nights are long. Yes, nights are so long and days are too short. There is snowfall in mountains and hilly regions. People wear woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. Yes, in this season, people wear woolen clothes. It keeps them warm. Woolen clothes are made up of the skin of the animals or wool. So they also use blankets and quilts. They use heaters or light a fire to stay warm. Yeah, you seen bonfire in some places when there's cold. Yes, people light bonfire to stay away from cold. They use heaters. They take hot drinks like tea and coffee to get rid away from winter season or cold. In winter season, sometimes the weather becomes very foggy. Yes, there is zero visibility. It becomes so foggy. During is very difficult to drive vehicles. Yes, because there is zero visibility. You cannot drive vehicle night freely on the road. Summer, monsoon, and winter are three main seasons. Besides these, we also experience two more seasons, that is autumn and spring in India. Yes, summer, winter, and monsoon are three main seasons. And beside these three seasons, we experience two more seasons, that is autumn and spring. So they come only for short duration, like autumn. What is autumn? The autumn season comes after the rainy season. Yes, it is followed by the winter season. Autumn is a very pleasant season. Yes, it is so pleasant season. The weather is neither hot nor cold like the weather of September and October. The trees shed their leaves in this season. Therefore, it is also known as fall season. Now let's talk about spring season. It is the most pleasant season. It is neither too hot nor too cold. We enjoy the bright sun after a long period. Yes, we see in spring season we see sun so much after so long period of cold winter. It's just time to play outside and go on picnics. In this season, flowers bloom all around us. There is so beautifulness all around us. It is called the basalt. So spring season is also known as basalt. So let's check your knowledge. The very first question: in which season do we use woolen clothes? Summer, winter, or rainy? Yes, in winter season, we use woolen clothes. Now the second question. Which season is also called the monsoon? Summer, winter, or rainy? Yes, rainy season is called the monsoon. I hope you have understood the difference between the weather and the season. So we experience weather day by day changes and we experience season for 2-3 months. It is a long period and weather is for short period. So that's all. I hope you understand the lesson thoroughly. So see you in the next class.